Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fixed your system requires SMB2 or higher in Windows 11, 10. Type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type get-smb server configuration. Space, vertical bar space, select space, enable SMB2 protocol. Exit and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.